Thank you for considering the screen-tight garage screen door system. It's important to measure your garage door opening carefully before purchasing this product. Here are a few tips for getting an accurate measurement. All measurements are of your garage door opening, not the garage door itself. This product installs in front of your garage door. All measurements are of your garage door opening from the exterior of your home. There can be slight variations in measurements, so be sure to measure your opening at multiple points. Do not include weather stripping trim in your measurement. First, measure the height of your opening at 3 points, left, center, and right. All height measurements are required to be within the range of 84 to 84.5 inches. If your opening is less than 84 inches, this product will not work for your garage. Measure the width of your opening at 2 points, the top and the bottom. For 16-foot garage doors there are 2 models. The longest width measurement will determine the right model for your garage. The large model is for openings 190 inches up to 192.5 inches wide. The small model is for openings 187.5 up to 189.75 inches wide. If your opening is less than 187.5 inches, this product will not work for your garage. If your opening is larger than 192.5 inches, you will have open space around the product, which is not recommended. Be sure to measure carefully to ensure this product is right for you. Thank you for considering the screen-tight garage screen door system.